So what the main procedure and how these things get followed by each and every country. Even Lok Sabha has a different rule of procedure. UN has a different rule of procedure. I told you. Even if there are an amount of countries that you will be knowing that how many countries are there for the United Nations. Even if you have a knowledge of 50 countries, it's a great thing to do. Your knowledge will be increases how the nation has, how the decision making takes place. And the question is the how the rules of procedure of the event. Every committee has different certain rules of basic ones are the same, but being it's a model, we have amended the solutions worldwide that it's a basic one. We have like a MUN circled all over India, from the Singapore, from Africa, from Muscat, from Dubai, from UK, from US, where all the students discuss upon such situation. And some of the model United Nations are even recognized by the actual UN. They empower the youth, debate upon. Same, the FairGaze also provides you a platform where you can build your confidence, where you can channelize your brain and learn something.
Like if we attend this MUN, so there will be a certificate, so which we will be getting. So what all where we can use this certificate so that we get more attention on our next steps.
But the thing is, the knowledge you gain by attending such things, that is reflected by a personal personality. You can feel that I am a knowledgeable person. That's why I'm speaking in front of you. And yes, I'll come back to you, Avya, for sure. Just give me a minute. So even if you are in certain organizations, you get a building capacity that you can organize such things, you can participate, you can use these certificates in any of the other, even when you will be out of your schools. Right now, I feel you are all our school students. It will be easier to get jobs.
When you click at the registration link that I have provided in the chat box, this page will open. Here you can clearly see that the first thing is preferred committee. Okay, so here you have to choose the preferred committee in which you would like to participate. Like if you want to be in international press, if you want to go with UNGA, any committee in which you have inbuilt interest. So you can choose from here. Then if I'm choosing IP, I'm choosing IP, okay. Then here the preferred agenda will automatically reflect. Okay, it is very important to choose the committee first. Then only the agenda will get reflected in your screens. It will automatically be there. Then you can choose the preferred role. Like if you want to be a press reporter in the international press, or you want to be a press caricature. So let me make it very clear that in international press, these two options are there, like press caricature and press reporter. If you are choosing other committee like UNGA, the agenda will be international trade and development. So here you will choose the preferred role as delegate. Okay. In the other agenda, the preferred role will be delegate. In IP, the preferred role will be the press caricature and press reporter. After that you will see the preferred committee portfolio. As Sagar sir has already told you, as a homework he has given you that 190, just you have to remember that how many countries are there. So from those countries you can choose anything in this. Okay, if you're choosing India, if you're choosing some other country, you can choose from here. I'm choosing Germany. So here I have to tell the experience. I have 0 to 5 experience, so I will click over there. Okay? And if your school has already given the coupon code, so you can apply it over here. And here you have to choose the new member. Okay, you're not an existing member, you are a new member, so choose the new member one. And then you have to just fill the name, school name, select class, section, gender, state, city, guardian name, your mobile number, email, and then a image of yours, like a photo, a professional photo should be there, a photo, and then you have to just submit. In next 24 or 72 hours, we will provide you a letter in which whole information will be there, like your final country, your final committee, your final agenda. So nothing to worry. We will share all the information, and if student need further training session, we are always there. So